Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a laptop RAM upgrade. It's one of the simplest ways to breathe new life into your laptop and expand its performance capability. If your spouse is anything like mine, her laptop is practically an extension of her arm, juggling work, streaming, and about a dozen browser tabs at any given moment. Her trusty Dell Inspiron 153530 has been a reliable sidekick, but lately, even 16 gigabytes of RAM hasn't been enough to keep up with her multitasking superpowers. So I decided to give her machine a serious performance boost by swapping out the old factory memory for a premium DDR4 RAM upgrade using the Corsair Vengeance dual-channel 32GB kit, which runs at 2666 MHz. Stick around until the end to see how it turns out. I want to quickly highlight what an awesome laptop the Dell Inspiron 3530 has been for my family. The 15.6-inch laptop packs a crisp Full HD display, an Intel Core i5 CPU, and a fast 512GB SSD, making it perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who needs a dependable computer for everyday tasks. With upgrade potential to run 32 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking is smooth, whether you're browsing the web, streaming movies, or working on documents. It also has a versatile selection of ports, including USB 3, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card reader. If you're searching for a reliable and affordable laptop that doesn't compromise on essential features, this model is an excellent choice. And incredibly, it sells for only $600 on Amazon. The Corsair Vengeance DDR4 32GB SODIMM kit delivers strong multitasking and performance for laptops, especially those with 6th-generation Intel Core, i5 and i7 processors. With a memory speed of 2666 MHz and low 1.2 volts operating voltage, it offers a balance of speed and energy efficiency. The auto-overclocking feature allows compatible laptops to achieve maximum performance without manual BIOS configuration, making it an excellent upgrade for users seeking smoother multitasking and responsiveness in demanding applications. Getting the back cover off your laptop is usually the most challenging part of the upgrade. Be sure to check your model's technical manual to know if you need a Phillips head or Torx head screwdriver, and more importantly, what size screw it is. These screws are PH0, meaning I have to use a Phillips head 0 screwdriver to remove them. I discovered these screws had been treated with thread lock, and one of them was not cooperating, so I briefly used a hairdryer to warm it up, and then was able to remove it. After removing the screws, use a thin piece of plastic to help lift the case off. While I get this back cover removed, let's quickly discuss how SODIMM RAM is different from desktop RAM. SODIMM RAM is designed specifically for laptops and compact devices, making it physically smaller and shorter than desktop DDR4 RAM. And they are not interchangeable due to these differences in size and pin configuration. Performance-wise, both can offer similar speeds and capacities, but SODIMMs are made to fit the tighter spaces inside laptops and small form factor PCs. Now you just need to gently nudge the retaining clips with your fingertips, and the old RAM will easily pop out. Next, just align the notch on the new RAM module with the corresponding key in the SODIMM slot. Gently insert the module at an angle and press down firmly until the retaining clips securely lock it into place. Afterwards, just replace the back cover and turn on the laptop. It may take a few moments longer to boot than usual. You should see a BIOS notification that the amount of system memory has changed. Just click Continue. If your laptop doesn't show any signs of life, just turn it off and double-check that the RAM modules were correctly installed. It may be the RAM you purchased is not compatible with your laptop. The simple fact the laptop has booted and you've arrived at the Windows desktop tells you that your RAM upgrade was successful, so congratulations. Now let's repeat our performance test from earlier by opening multiple browser tabs, Microsoft Office apps, and run a Norton virus scan. Task Manager shows that everything is humming along smoothly. Just look at how much more RAM our laptop has available. This will allow us to run a lot more applications and ultimately improve productivity. Well, there you have it, folks. We have successfully upgraded the factory RAM of our Dell Inspiron 3530 laptop with the Corsair Vengeance 32GB DDR4 SODIMM kit, giving it a nice performance boost and increasing the laptop's multitasking capabilities. Oh hey, please check out the affiliate links in the description. They help keep our channel alive. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.